My dear friend, today we have received a good news about the explosion in the pagers and after that in the many appliances, the electronic appliances of the terrorist organization Hezbollah. It is a sign of the relief or sigh of the relief because due to this atrocity of the Islam, we are under rest. We are under depression. Since its inception of the Islam, this ideology, which is known as the Islam, is distorting the human values, the social values. Because in Islam, there is no humanity at all. There is no rationality at all. All the stupidity which makes a Muslim a terrorist, this is the teaching of the Islam since inception of the Islam. So IDF is doing the correct. This is not only work of the IDF that this organization should fight against the Islamic terrorism. Every humanitarian, every social person or a good person, it is our duty to retaliate those the Islamic monsters which are distressing the whole world after reading the Quran. Reality of this Quran, which is being reflected in the past in the shape of the attacks on the Jews, Christians, Hindus, and the recent days also. You see everywhere when the Hindu procession or the Julus is going on the Vishkarma Jayanti, Ganesh Puja, Diwali festival, Diwali procession, or the Durga procession in the West Bengal and anywhere of the India. These Islamic monasteries are throwing the stones because it is written in the Quran that every stone which is being pelted by the Muslim, supposed to be pelted by the Allah. So Allah then the Allah is the stone pelter. Allah is a goon, registered, certified goon as written in the Quran. So this is not the duty of the Jews or the IDF, Israel Defense Force, that he must fight against the Islamic Goonism. No, this is every person which has a brain and which have a humanity and the kindness. The duty of that person to fight against this barbaric tribal ideology which allows the looting of the women, rape with the women of the non-Muslims. This is the prime aim of the Islam, to distort the whole world and fuck or the rape with the non-Muslim women for the sex pleasure. Though the Islam says that this life is nothing, the second life after resurrection, the real life. But Prophet Muhammad looted the caravans in this life. Nobody can prove after death there is another life or Jannah or Jannat or the hell or heaven. This is false and fabricated stories which was created by Prophet Muhammad for hideout or unveiling the heinous or crimes which he committed during his life. If Prophet Muhammad alive in these days, he will be behind the bar whole life, or he would be hanged, because such type of heinous crime which were committed by Prophet Muhammad cannot be spare. So we must united against this ideology, and we must stand with IDF, Israel Defense Force, or the Israel. Those people are criticizing the Israel, they are the communists. And these communists, where the communism is in power, as the Russia and the China, no Czechoslovakia or Poland, where the communism was in power in the past days, every masjid was fired by the cannons, and the all Moscow were अरे क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डिस्ट्रैक्टेड or demolished by the fire of the cannon. But here in India, the cunningness of these communists, they are with the Islamic terrorist or the Islamic terrorism. All the communists of India, people are against the Islamic ideology in the communist country. But in the democratic countries, these communists are with the Islamic terrorism. Islam itself is terrorism. No need to say it. There is no terrorist has no religion. This is the greatest lie. The terrorist has only one religion, that is the Islam. My dear Asuddin Owaisi, you are telling lie or befooling the people. But we cannot be people now because we had read the Quran so many times. So we must united in favor of Israel. Thank you very much.